What the fuck? What the fuck? Houston, we have a problem. My boat's missing.
Can the boat be found? All coming up in Sailing into Freedom!
Hey baby, won't you sail with me out on the rolling sea? We'll find some place to go, maybe down to Barbados. It's an island off somewhere in the middle of nowhere, sailing to freedom, you and me.
It's been months, far too many. The catamarans have been standing still, while everything around us kept moving. Plans changed, pressure built, doubts got loud. Some people stepped back, some panicked, some said, it's not happening. But we stayed, we worked, we waited. Quietly, until the moment couldn't be delayed anymore. And now, it's here. The move begins. The next chapter starts today.
Bart, can you believe it? After all that paperwork, there they are, finally free.
Yes, I see them, Plucky. Quite the impressive sight.
Today marks the start of something magnificent, my friend.
And surely a logistical challenge. Lots to do, mate.
Purely a detail now, let the team at it.
Indeed. Shall we get to organizing? You still need to clean up your task board.
Oh, bugger, you take tools, I'll handle the computer stuff. Bart, it's time for a really happy new year.
Happy New Year, Plucky! Happy New Year, fans!
Happy New Year. People, big day. I'm heading off to Milestone factory. I've got an hour and a half to get there, and we're moving the boat.
Điện ổng coi, ông nói là cho con Vĩnh Long cặp trước đó, mà không biết Vĩnh Long đi đâu. Điện ổng thử coi, chưa cậu lên mà. Đúng rồi, xà lan đăng ký hết rồi thì giờ cứ
What the fuck? What the fuck? Houston, we have a problem. My boat's missing. Bugger. Well, couldn't have gone too far. Not in there. I could have sworn I left my boat attached to these supports last time I was here. There's hole 5, there's hole 2. Well, at least I've got my mast. Okay, I've got to see what's in the storeroom that's left of my gear.
Không phải đem cơ sinh này.
Okay, now we've got to go next door. I've got to check what gear is left in my desk. Oh, bugger. I still got gear in there. No number either. Let's go see someone. Oh, my favourite man, Mr. Hung's here, the guy that helped me with all of the paperwork for the imports, and he's grabbed a hammer. Not the most appropriate tool to break a padlock on an aluminium frame door with glass. Okay, we've got a committee checking out the padlock. Look.
Now we're getting somewhere.
Woohoo! Thank you. Come on. Okay. I'm going to take this. All of this has got to go. And my desk. Roy Power batteries have got to go. This has got to go. Okay. This has to go. Hull 2's mast base.
They were 2 hours ahead of schedule, people, and moved the boat without me.
Alright, let's see what they're doing. It looks like Hull 2's getting ready to go. I don't know if you can see by my eyes, I'm so tired. Never ending, but hopefully it'll end tonight, well, not tonight at 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. Another sleepless night. He's saying do a good job sailing into freedom's filming. It's prestige, people.
Này lại ngày nay gấp mấy?
Some of these support has been cut. Some of these supports have been cut. As soon as we take the weight off it, we'll cut them all. And when I say we, people, it's a team effort. I'm holding the camera, just storing the arms in the back. Both cranes are getting controlled by one operator, and occasionally it gets into scissoring between the cranes. I'm going to say scissoring, people. I'm not talking about... I love diesel smoke across the sunset. Just makes it a whole lot redder, people. Just beautiful. The safety guy was giving me dirty looks because I was trying to get the Star Wars effect. I was trying to place the camera and have it go over, and I was going to play the Star Wars theme, but he wrecked it. Apparently it was unsafe. Anyway, also not allowed to film the missile boat down there because I'll get in trouble. many people, even though I don't know where my boat is. It was loaded this morning. Still don't know where my boat is. I'm just doing another whoa because I got some light and now I'm going to go in the dark. I think I can see my boat. Just in time to get one boat. We've also got to do hole 5 and 6 tonight. Pity I missed my boat. Not my fault, that one. There's my baby. We got 2 cranes to lift this boat, so they're going to have to be coordinated people. Obviously male drivers. I'm happy to go with the odds. 96% male viewership, 4% complaints. I'm happy to live with those odds, people. And we got 2 barges. So hull 5 and 6, they're going to go to a marina owned by the shipyard, but it's a little bit further away. And this is going to my shipyard probably at about 5 a.m. in the morning. So I'll get up early. I'm going to get maybe half an hour to an hour's sleep, and I'll ride my bike and I'll hopefully get to see them craning it into the yard. I checked out the yard before. It didn't look like there was much room, but that was a couple of weeks ago, so maybe they've cleared one of the factories. Anyway, it's exciting stuff, people. 2026, big year, sailing into freedom. Hardly any cock-ups for 2026. Well, at least in the first week. Good. No hiccups, no f***ups. Bloody good. But it's all before 2026, because 2026 is going to be an amazing year. Fit out will be done, and hopefully we'll be sailing, well, towards the middle of the year. So, fingers crossed, should be good.